sooner, and he said he had 30 minutes, and it wound up.
So we actually wound up getting attacked by some Japanese beetles, and then Rachel snuck lady beetle bug juice in my Amazon order. They're almost gone, like, for real. So I ordered a new extension set because my guys continue to lose my shit. This is from Amazon. This was priced affordably, and what I like about it is it's in its own little case, so I can monitor how soon that someone loses my shit. How you like that? Then I got the GreatNeck 1/4-inch drive socket set, 24-piece, shallow and deep. And then remember, I just bought 4 10mm just to keep in stock. I can't tell you how many how many 10mm, 8mm that seem to be lost all the time. Or, not even broken, just lost because we use them all the time. So this was a great addition to my tools. Recently I've needed some of these smaller ones, and I don't have any in my inventory or my arsenal. So I think this was like $50, which was super affordable from Amazon. Thanks for watching.